Yeah, you can hear me properly, right?
I can hear you.
Okay, good. Let me share my screen. Okay, hope you're able to see the screen, right?
Let me see. Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So, yeah, I will start with my introduction. Myself, Ramesh.
Okay.
Okay, currently I'm working as a technology lead for one of the company.
Okay.
Okay, I can say it is Infosys. So, and I have experience in Spring Boot and microservices development. Okay, so I mostly work with Java. So I have around 5 years with the front end technologies.
Okay.
Okay, HTML. Okay, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap.
Okay.
And I have 3 years experience in working with the frameworks, UI frameworks. Okay, React. Okay, React.js. I have 3 years experience.
Okay. Angular,
and
Ramesh?
yeah, Angular I don't have.
Okay. I see.
Okay. So and
You're based out of Hyderabad?
yes, Hyderabad.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
yeah, and I taught around 5 batches so far on React.js.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, this is all about me. Can you introduce about yourself?
So me, my name is Prabhakar. Okay, I've been working
Okay,
past 18 years now. Okay, on database technology. I'm a database architect. Okay, I
okay,
have, I've designed a lot of cloud architecture, database architecture, a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm new to UI. There is a product that we're building for UI, so I needed some help with UI, mainly React.js. I'm building a data modeling tool for JSON.
okay,
That's where I need UI. So I thought of getting some help from React side of it. So that's how
okay,
reaching out to these people. They arranged this training with you.
okay, okay.
Okay, I'm from Hyderabad to
So,
back in India. So I speak Telugu,
okay,
Ramesh. We
okay,
can.
cool. Yeah, so cool. So, yeah, మీకు
నాకు
JavaScript.
రమేష్ గారు మీ లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్లో మీరు యాంగులర్ అని ఉంది చూసాను నేను. ఐ డోంట్ సీ మచ్ ఇన్ రియాక్ట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. యువర్ లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్. ఐ వాజ్ జస్ట్ చెకింగ్ యువర్ లింక్డ్ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్.
Okay, okay.
మీరు యాంగులర్
So, yeah,
చేస్తున్నారు కదా రియాక్ట్ కన్నా.
Angular, I think I didn't mention Angular as far as I remember.
లింక్డ్ఇన్ లో మీరు యాంగులర్ ఉంది,
Yeah,
రియాక్ట్ లేదు దీంట్లో.
okay, yeah,
That is fine. As long as you're comfortable React, right? I can show you the application that I'm building, and maybe I need some help there also. Okay.
okay, sure, definitely.
Really built on
So
React
I can show you. Yeah, currently I'm working on this company called Allstate.
I see.
Hope you heard it. It is there in US
Insurance
company.
Yeah, తెలుసు. I know about it.
Yeah. So currently I'm revamping this
It is recorded.
Allstate.com.
Is this meeting recorded?
Yeah, it is recorded, but I think I won't share this. I'll see for today.
Okay.
So I'm giving all this information, right? That's it. Okay. So yeah, currently we are revamping this Allstate.com. Earlier it was into some CMS, different CMS. Currently we are having Sitecore JS CMS, Sitecore CMS we are using. By using that Sitecore CMS, all of this website we are revamping.
I see. Have you worked on GitHub?
Okay, so we are.
Ramesh?
Yeah, GitHub I work. Yes.
Okay.
I have the profile as well. I'll show you that.
So for me, right, I'm having one of the issue like where I'm publishing my application as a GitHub page. Okay.
GitHub page. Okay.
Yeah, right. Single page application, React one and a GitHub page. It is working fine locally, but when I publish it on GitHub page, the token, maybe because of the security, right? The way GitHub, it is wiping out the token, and I'm having issues with token. Have you dealt with that?
I need to check on that actually.
I see. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. So, yeah, before we proceeding, I want to show you what are the things I'm going to cover in this course, right?
Okay.
So, yeah, have you so far have you worked on JavaScript?
I'm new to UI completely.
Okay, even HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
I've looked at these things like long time back, but not recently.
Okay. So, okay. I would suggest, right? So you can go through this HTML, CSS in W3 schools. Okay. So, yeah, HTML I think you can complete in 2 to 3 hours. Anyway, you know, right? Simple UI how you can create.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would suggest if you want to learn React.js, right? First, we have to know the advanced features of JavaScript that we call it as a ECMAScript, right?
Okay.
Okay, I would suggest first we have to go through the ECMAScript 6 to 11. Okay, so these are the versions that we have currently. So, okay, all are the ECMAScript concepts only we are using in React.js. Okay, if we go directly into React.js, right, it is difficult to understand without knowing the ECMAScript.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with this one. The ECMAScript is what you're going to start with.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, sounds good.
So yeah, in this what I'm going to cover, right? So it is something little bit introduction and history of JavaScript. Okay, and next we have block bindings. Okay, you may see the keywords like var, let, and const, right? Okay, so I'm going to cover all these three keywords, about these three keywords and differences between let versus var.
Okay.
Okay, and I will also cover the array. Okay, simple array methods I am going to cover.
Okay.
In this, how we can deal with the arrays, right? How to find the array length and how to find adding any elements to the array, how we can join the arrays, right? All these things we can do it in this session.
Sounds good. Can you share this syllabus with me?
Yeah, sure, definitely. So next we have functions.
Objects. Okay, and like parameters, states, and all those things you're gonna do, right? Functions, objects. After that.
Yes, exactly.
Normal like object-oriented concepts that I understand. Okay, right. Like most of it, but I need to refresh a little bit. Can you come down? What else you have in this one?
Okay. So yeah. So in these functions, we have arrow functions, right?
Correct. Oh yeah,
Arrow
arrow.
functions were introduced newly. Okay. So if you see most of the code in React, right,
Mm-hmm.
you will find using arrow functions,
Got it.
and also yeah, and also you will see the in your React code you may see some dot dot, three dots.
Mm.
Okay, those we call it as a REST parameter or a spread operator.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
And
so
about
this one.
states like hooks, states.
Yeah, I will come to that in React.js syllabus.
Okay, this is not React. This is JavaScript.
Yeah, this is the JavaScript. We
Okay,
can call it as a advanced JavaScript.
got you, got you. And how long? What is the duration of this one? Like JavaScript, how long it might take? How many
Okay,
classes?
yeah, it will take around 12 to 15 classes. So
For
yeah,
just
if you
JavaScript
are
itself, 12 to 15.
yeah, so yeah, if you are comfortable with some of the concepts, I will try to move faster.
Okay, sounds good.
Till
Maybe I will,
yeah,
yeah, come up with these things pre-prepare it so that we can move faster. We want to focus more on React rather than JavaScripting.
yes, yes. Okay, so next we have set map, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so these are the collections we have introduced in ECMAScript.
Okay. So React uses
Okay,
JavaScript inside?
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, so we must know these about these methods: map,
Gotcha.
filter, reduce for each. Okay, why we have to know about these methods, right? You will have a JSON object, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hope you know JSON, right?
I know JSON. My project is
Yeah,
completely based out
JSON
of it.
object. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so JSON will have a key values, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, name
Mm.
and some name it will have. Okay,
Okay.
so next what it will have, right? So it
Yeah.
contains, assume it have a key called colors.
Mm.
Under that you will have an array, right?
Yeah.
Under this array you will have objects like, okay, under this name, color name you will have green, right?
Okay.
Okay, name blue. Okay, so you will receive this JSON object. You want to display these colors in the form of a table, right?
Mm-hmm.
By using React. So what we have to do? We have to iterate this JSON object and we have to map each object of this color to a table row.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, in order to accomplish these type of tasks, we must know these methods: map, filter, reduce, and for each methods.
Map, I think I understand, but I need to go for each filter. Is also maybe I might have used it. Yeah, I will go through these things also, just to
Okay.
make sure we are. I understand HTTP methods, get, post, delete options, right? All those things I understand. Document object model, little bit I understand. I've looked at it.
Okay.
Asynchronous programming, yeah, that I don't know. Have to look at it. Class I understand. Import, export. Node.js I know little bit. NPM I know little bit. Webpack I know little bit.
Okay.
Um, Babel I don't know.
Babel.
I don't know
Okay.
about. It's a library, right?
Yeah, it's a library. What it will do, right? It converts our React.js code to the JavaScript.
Oh, it converts.
So
Mm.
finally, whatever the code that we are going to write in React, right? It is going to
Mm.
convert it to JavaScript. Since the browsers can understand only JavaScript, it won't understand React, Angular, all these things. All frameworks finally converts their code into JavaScript code only.
I see. Oh, React converts into JavaScript code in the backend. I see.
Yes.
Okay. It sounds good. This is the JavaScript
Okay.
syllabus, right? And React syllabus?
Yeah, this is the JavaScript syllabus. Okay.
And total, like complete course, right? Like how long it takes? What is the duration of it?
Okay. So yeah, now if we come to JavaScript, ECMAScript 6, right? So you were saying you are aware of most of the concepts, right? I think we can
Even
take.
if I am not aware, I wanted to learn myself, right? Some of the basics to move fast, right? I don't want to spend like 5-6 months on this one, right? I need
Okay. Okay.
to get moving on my project. I cannot get stuck here.
Okay. So okay. In that case, what I will do, right? I will explain the concepts and I will go through the examples directly. I mean to say,
Hey,
I'll
can you give me 1 second? Can you give me 1 second if you don't mind?
definitely, definitely.
Thank you, Ramesh. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah. So yeah, what I'm saying, right? First,
Yeah.
first 5
Yes,
sessions
I'll say.
will.
I'll say. I already communicated that I'll say first. I'm good. I'm good. That's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll follow up with them and make sure they attend that on time. Bye. Hey, sorry, Ramesh. I'm not able to
Okay, okay,
mute
no
it for
problem.
some reason. This one. How do I mute? Oh, I see. I see mute. Okay, I get it. Cool.
Okay.
Sorry
So
about
yeah.
that. Go on.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm saying, right? First 5 sessions, we'll go to the ECMAScript, right?
Okay.
Okay. So in this, right, what I'm going to do, I won't type the programs, right? I will show you the
That is fine.
already
Like,
created.
see, whatever style. So, Ramesh, tell me one thing. Is this like one-on-one training or there'll be more people joining this?
Yeah, yeah, one-on-one training.
Okay. One-on-one is good. In that case, whatever like you have in your mind, right? The plan, let's go ahead. I'll speed up if I understand something. Let's say I'll say, Ramesh, like let's move forward, right? We'll work together on this one. Anywhere I feel
Okay,
that
sure.
maybe like enum values that you're enumerating properties. I understand that. Like, object constructor, object destructing, I don't know about them, right? If I am already come prepared, I understand them, maybe we'll speed up.
Okay, sure. So yeah, it's okay, fine. Yeah. So yeah,
And daily, like how many minutes you want to take the session?
around 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. And timings?
Timings. This time is okay for you, 9 to 10.
Anything early possible?
Anything early? Actually, I have one batch around 8 to 9. I use. It will take
Before
around
8
5
o'clock?
to 6 before 8 o'clock. Actually, it is not possible since my client is US. I need to attend some meetings.
I see. I see. Okay. So this is the best time that you can take?
Yes.
Okay. So 8:30 my time, right? 8:30 to 9:30, 10. Because my work starts at 9 o'clock, my
9
office work.
o'clock. Okay. Okay.
So that's why, like, if there's any meeting, right, we'll have difficulty.
Okay. So yeah.
7 o'clock my time, like 7:30 your time would be apt. Or anything earlier is fine for me, but
Okay. Is it okay to 8:30 to 9:30?
my time 8:30, your time 8:30, you're saying.
Yeah. Yes.
Your time 8:30
Half
to
an hour
9:30 is okay. 8 o'clock I have one quick meeting. I'll move that little bit then.
Okay.
7 to 8 my time will not work for you. 7:30 to
7 to 8.
8:30 your time.
Yeah, it is not possible since I have a Scrum meeting at 7:30.
8 o'clock, I have like 5 minute meeting, with a team, my product right, that I'm building, another product that I'm
Okay.
building. I have 5 minute stand up. That is fine. 8 to 9, you said, right? I will join like 5 minutes late. Will that be okay?
Yeah,
8:05.
it will be okay. Yeah, I'm saying 8:30 to 9:30 my time.
Your 8:30 to 9:30 is my 8 to 9.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay. Let's fix that
Okay,
one.
fine.
8:30 to 9:30 your time to start with, and we will
Okay,
go.
sure. So yeah, next I'm going to show you the React.js.
Are you going to take a little bit more like weekends also or weekdays? Can we
Okay,
cover it
weekends.
more over the weekends to speed up?
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, I will cover.
A couple of more hours, right? So that we can wrap this up a little faster.
Sure, definitely. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Sounds good.
So yeah, we have a React.js syllabus. Here you can see the course content. First, I'm going to cover the introduction to React.js. Next, I'm going to cover pure React.js. Okay, I mean to say
Some of
without.
these things we can save time, right? I understand these things. I already created projects. I know NPX. I started application because I already built one React.js application right now. Okay. I can
Okay,
show you that. Components, I understand. Functional class level. Props, little bit I understand. Like, some of these things I understand. Maybe we can speed up. If you go down set state, yeah. If you come down a little bit, fragments, yeah. Some of these things I understand. Maybe we'll go there. Producers. Can you share this to me?
okay,
So that way I will see if I can prepare some of them.
okay, sure, definitely. So
Okay.
yeah, so yeah, once you go through this document, just highlight what are the concepts you are expecting, right? So
Mhm.
that we can move faster.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. So yeah. So in this
Right now,
we have
in
a
my project, we are using React hooks.
React hooks, right?
Context based is what we are. Context based state, right? Rendering is what we are using right now.
Okay. So yeah, you can see the hooks I mentioned
Correct.
here.
Correct.
Most of the hooks I will cover.
Yeah.
Use state, use effect, and use selector, use dispatch, and use store, use reducer. All these hooks. Use contest, right? So this is the material UI. If you want, I will cover. Otherwise, I will skip this. So yeah, in this, I'm going to cover the React router. Under this React router, what are the hooks we will come across, right? Like use params, use route match, all the hooks I'll cover in this React router. And in Redux, we have actions, reducers, providers, all these things I'm going to cover. And also for any API interaction, right? We may use the Redux Thunk or Redux Saga,
Okay.
right? I'm going to cover these two as well. So in order to invoke the API, we are using Axios library.
Okay. Sounds good. This sounds good, Ramesh.
Okay, so as part of this course, right, you can see this.
Are we going to use this one free conference call or something else?
We can go for free conference call or Zoom also we can go. No issue. One-to-one, right?
I have Zoom user credentials. I can share if you want. I think it's fine.
Okay, sure. So yeah, this you can see, right? This is the project that
I
I'm
can see
going
that.
to. Yeah. So if you see,
Project, I have my own project. Ramesh, I have my project, right? I can it's okay, whatever project you give, but I want to focus on the
okay,
project I have. I can share with you. I wanted to
okay,
work on that one. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Need your help there. I can quickly show you
Okay,
that.
sure.
Is there any way I can share my screen?
Yeah. Okay,
You might
just a
have to
minute.
make me presenter, right?
Yeah. I think you got access.
Okay. It is
I will
asking
stop
to
share.
one second. It is installing an extension.
Okay.
Yes, extension. Okay. I'm able to share.
Okay.
Now, can you see my screen?
No, not it. Yeah, it is loading. Okay, I'm able to see.
Okay. So I work for Adobe, Ramesh. Okay.
Okay.
So we are building something experience data model, right? This is a tool that I am building. This is my own project where
Okay.
I create some objects like, you know, this is completely JSON based schema designing tool. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm building something for people who don't understand JSON. All they need to do is just type
Okay.
like a table, right? Like table name, table columns. You put it. I put stuff. It creates a JSON in the backend. You see on the right panel,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I can create it, and I have this schema, and then I can create a PR. Create a PR. Okay. In my GitHub, we have a public GitHub that we maintain, and I maintain that.
Okay.
This is my HTML, right? This is the GitHub I maintain. So I wanted to create a UI. The ambition here is to create the UI for this GitHub. There are a lot of people that contribute to this one, right? And that's why I wanted to have a GitHub based page where people can start coming here and use my UI to create a PR in this Git. These are the PRs that I typically
Okay.
review it and approve it and everything. Okay, right? So I wanted to have a
Okay.
UI. To start with, I created these objects, right? But this should be relational based. I have this one right now. This is like fixed. I wanted it to be like movable. Add some features here. Like I can add nested properties. These are nested properties, normal properties and nested properties. I can do. Every time I add something, see here, it is creating a structure on the right side. Okay, there are two different
Okay.
objects, class and mixin, and I should be able to create relationships between these two, you know, and all the GitHub data that I have here, right? I want it to be displayed. You see the structure I have here. I wanted that to be displayed in my UI so people can start editing. Right now, it's only creating new objects, right? I wanted it to have editable features also. People should be able to go
Okay.
there, like create a schema, right? And like select a schema here on the left side, which should create a UI pre-built, and they should be able to edit that so that schemas can be editable also. That is like next phase of my work that I want to focus on. But high level, this is what it is. Somebody is helping me out building this one for now, but I want to take it up by myself.
Okay.
That is the intent.
Okay. So,
I have my code. This is my code. This Unbuilder code I have. Okay, maybe I can share this with you. This is GitHub too. You can review it when you have some time and see if you have any suggestions.
okay. Definitely.
Somebody else is helping me out with these things at this point in time, but I wanted to become self-sufficient and take control of this one myself.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
I've hired somebody like a freelancer to help me out with this outside my company. Okay.
Okay. So, yeah, it seems you are using Material UI, right?
Sorry, you want me to share again? Oh, I missed it. 1 second. Can you make me presenter again? Looks like I lost the...
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, you said I'm using what? Sorry.
Material UI are you using?
Oh, yeah. Material UI for the buttons and other stuff, right?
Okay.
All these things. And then I'm using Bootstrap that is needed, right? Anyways, OctaKit is something for this is for the GitHub integration.
Okay.
For GitHub integration. Right now, I'm just creating PRs on GitHub using this one, but I should be able to read the GitHub data and display it on the UI too.
Okay. So yeah, I'm okay with this product. I will be able to help you.
Okay.
So I think yeah, I will suggest first you have to understand the advanced concept. Then while implementing those in your project, right? If you come across any doubts, I can suggest you on that.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so yeah, any other things do you want to expect from me?
No, that's all from my side. So you are comfortable, right, Ramesh, with what I have?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. So yeah, if you are okay, shall we start from tomorrow?
Yeah, let's start from tomorrow. Yeah, and let's see how it's gonna go. Like 1 hour, as I said, right? But in case if you have bandwidth, I want to go a little faster, maybe 2 hours. Your morning, how is your morning schedule, Ramesh? Are you busy?
Morning. I'm busy morning actually.
You're busy mornings. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Weekends, you should be able to. You're okay to spend a little bit more time.
Yeah. Weekends I will be able to spend.
Okay. Sounds good. So where are you based out of in Hyderabad?
I'm staying in Uppal. Do you know?
Uppal. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I did my polytechnic in Ramantapur.
Ramantapura. Okay. Good.
Uppal దగ్గరే అది. Just close by, right? That's where I studied
Close by.
my polytechnic before coming to US.
Okay.
I did my engineering in OU campus.
OU campus. Okay.
And then came here.
Okay. So
I'm based out of Hyderabad, so I know all this areas.
Okay.
So coronavirus is really horrible, is what I hear right now. So everybody, a lot of them are getting impacted. Hope your family is safe there.
Yeah. My family is safe. Actually, my brother and my father got recovered.
Oh, recovered. That's good, man. You guys are lucky.
Yeah. So I think Even a single dose of vaccine is saving the lot of people's lives.
That is absolutely true. And vaccine is very.
Yeah.
You got your vaccine?
No, not yet. Currently, they are giving for above 45 years of age.
I see. I see. Yeah. So you should take it as soon as it is available.
Yeah, definitely.
Things are cooling down a little bit is what I'm hearing, but not a time to relax. It's not a time to relax.
Exactly. Yeah. So.
Don't go out, don't step out, as much as, right?
Yeah, correct.
Get it online, order online, everything. We are doing that in US. It's been like long time. We don't go out. We got vaccines, like 2 vaccines. Still we don't go out.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, exactly. We are also not going out. If it is urgent only, we are going. Otherwise, almost from 1.5 year, staying at home only.
Yeah, same thing. That's okay, right? Staying home, spending time with family rather than, getting impacted and losing our lives and loved
Yeah,
ones.
yes.
It's okay. I mean, I know that, we are social beings. We don't like to stay home, but this is the time that we have to be, more patient, especially in India, right? With no control, Hyderabad, no controls. Better to stay home, right? Until this is
Yeah.
right. After that, no matter what you do, who cares?
Yeah, correct, exactly.
This is the time that we have to be very careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good, Rajesh. Like, can we coordinate on WhatsApp in case if I'm not anytime, like if you have a meeting or anything like that, you join late, or I join late. You wanna ping me on WhatsApp? You have my number.
Yeah, I don't have your number. You
You
can
want?
ping in this chat.
Okay, let me ping that. Give me 1 second. Let me go. I stopped the chat here. Okay. My number +1. Oh, what happened? +1 50409825.
Okay.
Can you ping me now so that I can save?
Yeah, sure. It is not show in WhatsApp. I will ping my number.
Okay, can you ping me? Let me save. Eight one four seven. Okay. You may have got my text, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So this is my number. You can save my number.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Cool. Thank you, Ramesh Garu. Nice talking to you. And thanks for accepting this one. Right. Let's see if
Okay,
we can.
thank you. Okay.
Whenever I have time, I will go through these things and want to speed up a little bit this one.
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
definitely. Yeah, I will share the content on this WhatsApp.
Okay. Sounds good. Syllabus,
Okay.
right, for both, so that I can start. JavaScript is something that I will start working on it starting today itself.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool, man.
definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.